Imagine you wake up tomorrow, but getting out of bed feels impossible. Like someone's piled weights on you overnight. You haven't gained a pound. Nope. The Earth's gravity has just doubled. And in that instant, everything from your own body to the world you know begins a catastrophic collapse. And spoiler alert, you're not surviving this. So, what's the big deal? It's all about gravity. You can think of it as this invisible force holding absolutely everything together. It's holding you to your chair, the air in the room, and the entire planet in one piece. This force gives everything its weight, pulling us all toward the Earth's core. But in our little thought experiment, that pull just became twice as strong. And the consequences are immediate. And they are brutal. The first thing you'd notice? Your own weight. Yeah, every single part of you now feels twice as heavy. But honestly, you might not even have time to process that. The real horror show is what happens to your brain. Your heart is an amazing pump, engineered to push blood up against regular gravity. In that instant, it's now fighting a force it cannot beat. Blood is pulled violently from your brain towards your feet. For most people, especially anyone standing up, the result would be an immediate GLOC, a G-force-induced loss of consciousness. You'd simply black out in seconds. For the few who remained conscious, standing up would be a serious struggle. Just walking would be a slow, exhausting nightmare that could lead to stress fractures in your legs. Blood would pool in your lower legs, causing seriously painful swelling. The immense strain on your entire system would dramatically increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Even taking a breath would feel like a workout, as your muscles fight to expand your lungs against that crushing force. For the very young, the elderly, or anyone with a pre-existing health condition, survival would be pretty much off the table. And that's just what's happening to you. Things are about to get way worse for everything we've ever built. Think about our world. Every single structure, from a little house to the tallest skyscraper, is built to hold its own weight against the gravity we have now. Double that force, and our world starts to tear itself apart. Long-span bridges, like the Golden Gate, they'd be the first to go. Their own mind-boggling weight would just overwhelm their supports, causing them to buckle and collapse in a twisted mess of steel. The massive roofs of stadiums, airports, and malls would pancake downwards, crushing everything and everyone inside. Even our homes would become death traps. Older buildings, especially brick ones, would see floors collapse onto the ones below in a terrifying domino effect. While something sturdy and pyramid-shaped might have a better shot, most of our cities would be reduced to rubble in a matter of hours. And getting around? Forget it. Airplanes would be instantly grounded, their frames now way too heavy to ever generate lift. Cars and trucks would struggle as their suspensions buckle under the doubled load. Civilization would grind to a halt. Let's zoom out a bit, because this disaster isn't just for us humans. The entire natural world would be thrown into a brutal crisis. Trees, which have spent millions of years evolving to pump water hundreds of feet into the air, would find that task impossible. Their own branches, now twice as heavy, would snap, and entire forests would begin to collapse. This would trigger landslides on a massive scale, as the root systems holding the soil together die off. The skies would fall silent. A bird's ability to fly is this delicate dance between its weight, muscle power, and wing design. Double their weight, and you've just grounded almost every bird on the planet. But insects, they wouldn't just be grounded, they'd be completely wiped out. Tiny creatures that evolved over millions of years simply couldn't survive this crushing force. Within days, the world's insect population would die off completely. Without pollination, plants would begin to die off, meaning the end of food. For all of us. The largest animals on land, elephants, giraffes, rhinos, would be some of the first to go, their skeletons simply unable to carry their new weight. Yeah, it would be a mass extinction event on a scale that's hard to even imagine, wrecking nearly every food chain on Earth. And if you thought that was bad, on a planetary scale, the nightmare becomes apocalyptic. The first and most devastating change? The moon. Our new, supercharged gravity would yank the moon violently towards us, pulling it into a much closer, faster orbit. This would unleash Cataclysm's tidal forces. The planet's oceans would be pulled from their basins, creating globe-spanning tidal waves perhaps miles high, scouring the continents clean in a matter of hours. This single event would wipe out far more than any collapsing building. At the same time, the atmosphere itself would be pulled down with greater force and get seriously compressed. This means the air pressure at sea level could roughly double, making it even harder to breathe. This denser air would also create more violent and chaotic weather systems. All this new weight of rock, ice, and water, combined with the churning of the oceans, would put an incredible strain on the Earth's crust. The constant earthquakes wouldn't just crack buildings. They'd fracture entire mountain ranges, redirecting rivers, destroying power grids, and making the surface of our planet uninhabitable for any remaining life. So, a world with double gravity? It's not a world we could survive. It's a place of impossible, crushing hardship where our bodies would fail, our cities would crumble, and nature itself would collapse. The intricate, fragile balance that allows life to exist is a delicate thing. And this scenario shows just how fast it could all be torn apart. It's a pretty grim reminder that the fundamental forces of our universe are tuned just right for us.